If there's any credit card that can take on the Chase Sapphire Preferred in the mid-tier credit card category, it's the CITI Premier Card. This card is currently offering an all-time welcome bonus, offers a lucrative earning rate on categories like travel, which includes gas station, and dining and entertainment. The CITI Premier Card also has a good number of airline and hotel transfer partners, offering flexibility to those of you who'd rather redeem their points with travel partners rather than straight cashback. All this for a $95 annual fee. So hit the like button really quickly and let's get to the details. Hey guys, my name is Rami and welcome to Points Pointers. My goal for this channel is to help you earn and redeem as many points as possible to upgrade your travels for little to no money. So if you're interested in credit cards and award travel, then please consider subscribing. You can also download my free 10-step award travel guide in the description below. Right now, the CITI Premier Card is offering a welcome bonus of 60,000 thank you points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. This bonus is 10,000 more points than the typical bonus offered on this card. I value CITI thank you points at about 1.7 cents per point, which gives the welcome bonus a value of $1,020. Not bad for a mid-tier credit card. So even after taking out the $95 annual fee for the first year, you're still up by $925. As far as earning potential with this credit card, this is where the CITI Premier Card really shines. It earns 3x on travel, which is broadly defined and covers things like airfare, hotels, cruises, public transportation, and even gas stations. This is higher than the 2x earned with the Chase Sapphire Preferred on the travel category, which doesn't even include gas. The CITI Premier also earns 2x on dining and entertainment, which covers restaurants, cafes, bars, lounges, as well as sporting events, movie theaters, concerts, and much more. Other than that, it earns 1x on everything else. So you can just see how many points you can accrue while using this credit card. On the redeeming side, there are several ways that you can redeem your thank you points earned with the CITI Premier. But the two best ones are for fixed value at 1.25 cents per point when redeemed for airfare on any airline with no blackout dates through thankyou.com, which gives the welcome bonus a fixed value of $750 in airfare. And if you don't have enough points for your purchase, you can always combine points and cash on thankyou.com to complete your purchase. This is a very easy way to redeem your thank you points and doesn't require much research or finding award availability or any of that. The other option, which I personally prefer, is to transfer points to travel partners. Thank you points earned with the CITI Premier Card can be transferred to 15 travel partners at 1-to-1 ratio. Here's a list of the transfer partners. Now, even though thank you points don't partner with any of the big 3 US airlines, Delta, American, and United, they still transfer to some awesome airlines programs that cover all 3 alliances and more. Finally, since the CITI Premier Card is a World Elite MasterCard, it gets some cool extra benefits. These benefits are not specific to the CITI Premier Card, but they cover all World Elite MasterCard cards. You'll get a $10 Lyft credit once a month whenever you take 5 rides in a month. You'll get $5 off Postmates orders of $25 or more, and you'll get free 2-day shipping and returns with ShopRunner, and you'll get $5 off future movie tickets or at-home purchases with Fandango for every 2 movie tickets you purchase. You get this $5 value for Fandango by being a Fandango VIP member and earning Fandango points when you purchase stuff with them. So bottom line, the CITI Premier Card is a great option to earn high-value, flexible points that also offers a great bonus multiplier on high-spend categories like travel, dining, and entertainment. If you're thinking about adding a new card to your wallet that's very rewarding with a reasonable annual fee, then this is the card for you. If you want to learn more about the CITI Premier Card, make sure to check the affiliate link in the description and click Show More to read the Advertiser disclosure. Thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time here, I would love to have you subscribe because every week I'm publishing videos that will help you earn a ton of credit card points and frequent flyer miles that will enable you to travel the world for little to no money.